I'm happy to show you new Mazda6, our flagship model that combines full range of Mazda's sky-active technology and Kodo, solo motion design language. The essence of the Kodo design is to capture the beauty and strength of the instantaneous motion of animal and athlete. I was inspired from race horses. In distance, they are very elegant and graceful and very beautiful silhouettes they have. But if they come closer, the face is very bold and muscle is very strong, so everything is strong and elegant. I'd like to explain the very important lines on shoulders. There are 3 lines, character lines at here. The first one is the most strong and elegant line that expresses the leaping forward. And the second one is the hip muscle that enables the leap to forward. And the third one is the front fender. This imagines the shoulder muscle to grip the ground. In this three-dimensional face, I want to explain about the sculpting, three-dimensional sculpting around the groove. And these small surfaces are not only surface for the face, this continue extended to the entire body side surfaces. To defy convention, we always search one step ahead from the others.